Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to start a world clock and set a timer in Android smartphone. So guys, in the previous video I have shown you how to set an alarm and set a stopwatch in your Android smartphone. If you haven't seen that video, I have attached the link in description so you can check that out. So first of all, in order to set a world clock, first of all you have to go to this clock application. Click on that. Then you have to go to this timer option here. Click on that. So in this option you can see there are different hours, minutes and seconds here. Given you can choose any minutes or hours of your choice. For example, if I go for 10 minutes, so it will start the timer for 10 minutes here. Let's click on start and it will start the timer from 10 minutes to 0. You can also pause the timer here by clicking on this pause option. And if you want to delete this timer, you can go to this delete option here. Click on that and it will delete your timer here. You can also set a different timers. For example, if you want to set a time to for like 2 hours 15 minutes, so you can select the hours too, and let's go for 15 minutes. And you can also select different seconds of your choice. You can choose any of them, and then after that you can go to start and it will start your timer for 2 hours 15 minutes. So in this way you can set the timer in Android smartphone. Not only that, you can also set multiple timers. You have to click on this plus option here. Click on that and here you can set different more timers here. For example, here I'm setting 1 hour 15 minutes and I will start that. So here you can see here I have set two timers here. One is 2 hours 15 minutes and the second timer was 1 hour 15 minutes. So in this way you can also add multiple timers. So you will also see this option here, these three lines. If you click on that, you will see now you can see there are both the timers side by side. And you can also pause the timer by clicking on this red buttons. It will pause one timer, but the other timers is still going on. You can also pause both of these timers, or again you can also start both of these timers together. So in this way you can stop and start your timer, and also you can see both of them at the same time. You can also click on this close option and it will close one timer and show you only one timer here. So in this way you can do more stuff. Here you can see three more dots here. You can see that over here. If you click on that, you can go for the edit and here you can edit your timer. For example, here I'm clicking on this rename option. You can also rename your timer here. And after renaming, you can also select any of that. Let's go for timer 1. And after that, you have to click on save. It will name your timer here. So in this way, you can also rename your timer. And again, you can go to these three dots, click on edit. And here you can also go for delete all option. If you have set multiple timers, then you can also select this delete all option here. You can delete all of the timers that you have set. So in this way you can go for these options, and also you can also go for these settings under the three dots, and you can also change the settings if you want. So in this way you can set a timer. So there's many functions of this timer. For example, if you are studying, if you are playing, you can set a timer for that. And for example, you have to complete a task in some like 30 minutes, you can set a timer of 30 minutes. So in this way you can complete your task, and it's very useful feature for time management, especially if you have to do a lot of tasks in daily routine. So this is a very important feature. So now I'm going to show you how to set a world clock in this application. So you do not have to go anywhere. You have to just click on this world clock option here. So click on that, and here you can choose different cities of which you want to see their time. For example, right now the current time in this Atlantic daylight time is 6:28 p.m. So for example, if in order to add more cities, you have to go to do this plus option here. Click on this plus option and here you will see a map here. So you can select any of this map, or you can also search any city name. Like here I'm searching New York. As you can see, there's a suggestion option here. Click on that and it will show you the time. But in order to show this time in your world clock, you have to click on this add option. Click on that and it will add your city to your world clock. So you can see this city is 1 hour behind than my time here. My time is 6:29 p.m. and the time in New York is 5:29 p.m. So in this way, you can select multiple cities. Let's go for some different city here. You can also select the city from this map. Let's go for the UK map here. Let's go for this London. So in London, it's right now 10:29 p.m. and it's 4 hours ahead of my time. So you can also compare the times and how many hours it's behind or how many hours it's ahead. You can also compare that. Now you have to just click on add. It will add one more city to your world clock. This way you can set multiple cities in your world clock here. And one more option, you can also go for these three dots here. If you click on these three dots, you will see an option time zone converter. So basically it will help in converting the times of two different cities. For example, if I click on that, so right now my local time is 6:30 p.m. but in London it's 10:30 p.m. So if I choose a different time, let's choose any local time here. Let's go for 3 p.m. Let's go for 3 p.m. here. Let's select this one here. So you can see I am selecting different time and the time of both London and New York have changed according to my time here. As you can see, the New York is 1 hour behind my time, so it will show 2 p.m. and the London is 4 hours ahead, so it will show 7 p.m. So in this way you can select any of this time here and it will automatically change the time of your cities which you have chosen for your world clock. So in this way you can go for this time zone converter. Let's go back and now again click on these three dots here. If you click on that, you will see a settings. You can also go for any settings you want here. You can again click on these three dots and you will see an option edit. So for example, if you have added a city and you want to delete that city from your word clock, you can also do that. You just have to select these cities, or if you want to just select one city, that you can go for that. And then after that, you have to go for this delete option. Click on that and it will delete the city for you from your word clock. So in this way, you can add and delete cities from your word clock. You can add as many cities as you want. And in this way, you can set your world clock as well as timer in your Android smartphone. So I hope guys you like my video. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also visit my tech tutorial playlist of this channel for more tutorials. And thank you for watching.